Hi friends, and welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me today. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and like the video, and we'll get right to the word of the Lord, and then we'll get to what I came to show you today. So the word of the Lord today is coming from Galatians chapter 4 verse 1, and I'm taking the reading today from the Daily Bread, which you can download on your phone, and it gives you a devotional every day to read. So today's devotional is from Galatians chapter 4 verse 1, and it says, "And masters, treat your servants considerably, be fair with them. Don't forget for a minute that you too serve a master, which is God in heaven." Thank you for joining me for the word of the Lord today, and I will get to the project that I came to show you. A lot of you saw that I had created a bunch of acrylic earrings that I took some plain acrylic and turned it into some earrings. So I just wanted to show you kind of like where it starts from. So this is what it starts looking like. These are some of my acrylic pieces that I cut. This is the clear part that goes in my bank, so I was able to cut a D out of this one and a Y. And out of this one, it looks like I did an H and an S. And out of this one, it looks like I did an L on that side and a D on that side. A lot of times I can get two banks out of it. Sometimes I can only get one, depending on how big the letter is. And like this one, I got an A. I got two A's out of that one. Let's see what I got out of this one. Out of this one, I got an E and a J. And out of this one, looks like I got, maybe, is that a Y and A? Oh no, that was two A's. Look like that was A's. And see, this one I was only able to get one, and this was like an M, but I was only able to get one. But on this side, I was able to cut out something else. And out of this one, I was able to get an R and a D. And this one became a D and an S. And so what I'll do with them is I will take them, and here's some that I've already broken up. So I will try to break it up where there's like a lot that I can cut an earring out of. Like here, I'm not sure what this was, but I cut, oh, this looked like it was a Q. And I cut and I broke it apart to whatever other letter was on this side. And that way I'll be able to get something out of here, even if it's just some studs, and I might be able to get some bigger ones out of there. I'll break it up like this to get, like, you know, to use this part. Sometimes I have like really bigger pieces that I can manipulate this piece. And this is all clear acrylic that goes over the bank. I'm able to get this piece. So let's say I wanted to use this piece right here. So what I would do is I would try to break it at the skinniest parts, and then I would try to break it right here, and then I would try to break it like right here. So now I would take this piece and do my manipulation, and this piece as well. And like I said, I got this tutorial. This was a paid tutorial that I got from Sherri Shine, and she is Sharika's Original Handmade Crafts here on YouTube. And it was a paid tutorial that she did. And so, like, I'll just take them and I'll just try to break them up at the skinniest pieces so I can use the majority of it. So I broke that one there, so I probably would maybe break it here. So then I would use this piece, because there's like lots of meat there, lots of meat there. And I would use that, and then I probably would use right here and right here. This piece I probably won't even use. I'll probably just break that off, because I don't even know if I can get some studs out of there. They would be really, really small. So here are more pieces that are already kind of like broken up. This one's broken up. I broke up this one because I'm getting ready to do some different colors. This one I broke up. And this one I broke up. And then sometimes I get really little pieces, but I could probably still make studs out of them. Like this I broke off, and I'll probably get maybe a couple of pairs of studs out of, like, maybe this side and maybe here. Let's see, maybe I can get a couple of studs out of there. Maybe I can probably get some bigger pieces out of there. But that's what I do with them. I just kind of break them up and put them to the side to get ready to use. And here are some of the earrings up close and personal that I was able to make with the technique that I learned from Sherri's video. And we have these and these. And I got these cards from Amazon. We have some of the smaller ones. And then we have this color. We have these. I really like these ones. And then I have these. And I have lots of them. I'm not showing you all of them, but then we have those. And we have these. And we have these. Trying to get the glare off of them. Let's see. Trying to get the glare off of them. The lighter ones is harder to get the glare off of. And then these. And like some of it, I'll just let the clear show through. Like I think, I'm not sure which one of her techniques I use with this one, but it still had some of the clear in there. And like this one has none of the clear. You can't even tell that this was a clear acrylic before I manipulated it. And then here's another pair like that. But these ones are fatter and these ones are longer and skinnier. But they came out really, really nice. I really like them. So, yeah. So that's what I've been up to. And stay tuned because I'm going to make some different ones. I don't know how long it's going to take me because I have another project I need to get done. And I'm working on a paid project right now. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining me. Go ahead and give me a thumbs up for this video. And we will see you in the next one. God bless. You have an awesome and an amazing day. Be blessed, my friends. Bye-bye.